So I've been looking for a mechanical keyboard for a little while, which ticks a lot of boxes. I was looking for one specifically with a metal case. This one I came across, which is the Hades, the Durgod, Hades, if I pronounce that right. ARM processor, decent polling rate, Windows key lock and key rollover. Yeah, it looks really good, packaged really well. You can see here sides, on the back, Hong Kong Gaming. Durgod. Right, let's unbox it, see what's inside. Right, so this was with the keyboard. It's got some protection, all very nice. It actually has a plastic cover over the top of it to protect the keys. Have a look at the keyboard itself. This is exactly what I was looking for. The one that I could find which had sort of 65-68%, which had the keys on the bottom corner. I'd be happy with a smaller keyboard, but I found that not having these keys at the bottom was a real problem. Feel good, sound good, very good construction, I must say. All metal. Oh, look at that. We've got a beer mat drink coaster. A nice touch. And then the rest of the box, we have a USB-C cable. I'll be using that as I have my own. Type test. Sounds good. These are the brown keys. Let's plug it in. See if it comes on. There we go. Wow. Doesn't that look good? I presume you can change it. That turns the lights off. And then this cycles through. Wow, that's the best lighting I've seen on a mechanical keyboard, I reckon. Cycle through the different modes. Wow. Lovely. Really like the aesthetic of it. Looking really good looking little keyboard, that one. Brilliant. Thank you for watching.